Good morning. We're in Little Fort, BC this morning, and I woke up just down the street at the rest area and I seen this giant bear. So now I'm sitting on his hand. For real, that's his hand. I love this kind of stuff. Today, we're heading that way. Or that way. We're gonna go that way. We all know that this guy loves a big old abandoned house. How beautiful. Ooh, my kind of morning. Amazing. Wow. An old farmhouse. Oh, it's a little mucky in here. Oh, this is breathtaking. How many of you guys find places like this just very intriguing? Wow. This park is downright amazing. Look. Woo! Wow. So awesome. Woo! So excited for this. Look at it, got misty on the window. Yeah! It's a little foggy outside, and we got to the big Helmken Waterfalls, and you can't see it. You can feel it, and it sounds vicious, like feel it. You can feel it rumbling in your chest, but you can't see it. Oh, I'm getting hit by mosquitoes. There's a lot of mosquitoes out here. So the sun's just perking out over there, so we're gonna give it about an hour or so and see if that sun will burn off some of this morning fog. We're gonna go make ourselves some breakfast. And it'd be kind of sad to come all the way out here, and being that the day we're at the park is gonna be the day it's foggy all day. This stuff will go away. Let's give it an hour. Oh, the fog's cleared a lot. Nice. Oh, damn. Oh, wow. That has got to be the tallest waterfall I have ever seen. So impressive. Oh, wow. This thing looks fake. Oh, just the power when it hits down there. Looks like something out of a movie. Unbelievable. As a comparison chart, these are the other few waterfalls that are in this park. So the Helmken Falls is 462 feet high by 75 feet wide. Comparing that to Niagara Falls in Ontario, which is massive, it's 173 feet high. So this one is like way taller, but the Niagara Falls one is also just about 4,000 feet wide, where this one's only 75 feet. Super freaking cool. A definite place you guys have to come and stop because that freaking thing is impressive. I suck at reading out loud. This is why I never got into radio full time. Are you ready? Let's read this together. The power of water. Erosion by water made Helmkin Falls and the gorge below. The falls has moved slowly upstream as it cut through layers of lava left by volcanic eruptions thousands of years ago. Yay, Chromie, you did it! So freaking amazing. That rock over there is just wild. That was Dawson Falls. From what I understand, there's 20 different waterfalls within this Wells Gay Provincial Park. Most of them, they're like a couple kilometer hikes to get to, or you can get to them by boat by going down to the far end to Clearwater Lake, renting a boat and coming back around. But 20 different waterfalls, so if you're into that kind of stuff, this place would be true heaven. Listen to that. So beautiful. CRUZ. The sign says no vaping, no smoking marijuana. Are you down for that? No, maybe? Forget it, peace out. The name of this waterfall is Spa Hats. But probably Spats, but it's written Spa Hats. Spa Hats. I'm super intrigued with all of these rocks. Like all the different little layers. So impressive. Just so cool. Prior to van life, I'd come to places like this, snap a few pictures, and then we'd bounce off and go do something else. But now that I got the time to sit here and appreciate all the tiny little things, from the sounds to the smells to the textures, it makes traveling to places like this that much more impressive and more fulfilling. A lot of these people here are just walking out here, snapping a few shots, and they're out back in that parking lot down to the next one. When I got the time, so amazing to be in these places and not be in a rush. It's pretty sad that I've been here to the Clearwater Valley before, but I never stopped here. I was so busy commuting to Edmonton that I completely bypassed this whole section because I had a destination in mind. My old life was more about the destination, less about the travel in between. Now, it's all about the travel in between, because if you don't slow down and enjoy the tiny little things, you're gonna miss everything. Look at all these waterfalls that I missed and the history that's sitting here. I have read just about every single big information sign this morning. Normally I walk by and I'm like, okay, cool. I read the headline and walk on. Today, I read them all. Everything about the ecosystem here and all the different endangered plants and stuff like that around here, to the insects, to how much lava rock and stuff was here from an eruption on, I'm not good at portraying this kind of stuff. I'll throw the links to the Wikipedia stuff down below here if you guys are interested. But I guess when something around here erupted, like tons and tons and tons years ago, it raised the ground level 150 meters above where it used to be. And so everything you're seeing around here is just lava rock. And that's why these valleys are cut so deep with water, because the water just carved through that semi-soft lava rock. I'll throw the links down below because I'm gonna mess this whole story up. You're gonna be like, Chrome, your facts are... It's been an awesome morning. Gotta love cruising down the street and seeing a whole pile of old trucks. These are awesome. It's the end of today's video. What do you guys think? Paint my van like a baby blue? Ooh, now the thoughts are running because the logo would look so good on the baby blue. These are just freaking awesome. I don't know what this guy does, but his entire yard is full of just old trucks and a few old cars kicking around. Super rad. I bet you this guy's got some really fun stuff in a shop on the yard somewhere. This is so cool. Just like Fords and Mercurys everywhere. Never really been a truck guy, but these are so cool. Oh yeah. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed, forgot the name of that park now. Wells Point Grey or Wells Gray? I might have called it, was it Wells Point Grey or Wells Gray? Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed the waterfalls and stuff in today's video. I had a blast this morning. I got a funny feeling this is what my spray paint job is gonna do. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end up painting it and it's gonna end up just like flaking all off. Whatever. Good times. All right, you guys, hopefully you enjoyed everything today. I'll leave the links to the park down below if you're interested in getting some history on it. And we're in Clearwater, BC. I'll see you guys soon.